Hello, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on a Monday. Yes, it's Monday, July the 12th, 2021. And this fourth and last puzzle is a Tectonic one with 4 stars. And this will be number 3087. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits, so should be an easy one, because the hard ones should be the 9, 10, 11, 12 printed digits. This one has 17, so should be an easy one. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more, but I think it should be an easy one, so maybe 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, I think. Alright, and the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here a single box, there a single box. Single box is always a 1. Second question, can we see here the dual box? I see here a dual box. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, so 1 digit left, should be a 1. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple box? No. I see only 1 quadra box. Okay. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or structures or constructions or figures. For example, the L shape here. We have an L shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Here another, but mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. T shape. I see here T shape upside down. T figure. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. Okay. More T shapes? No. Then the following shape. This kind of shape. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. No. Then, let me see. Those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. So now it's the time. There are more of figures or shapes, but in this puzzle we have 3 that you need to recognize. Then it's the time for filling the numbers. All right, let me see. These 2, wait. These 3 boxes surround the 2, cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 1 and 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Okay, this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can it be 2? Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Then 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes 1 and 4. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Can it be a 3? So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, and also this box cannot be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I fill a 3 here, I cannot place any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 3, that box can be a 3, those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this W area shape should be the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes here. Alright. Okay. Then let me see. Yeah. I think this box, wait. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm thinking. I have a double 3 here. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1 because I have a double 1 here, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Think 3. Can be 3, can be 5, can be 1, 1, 3, 5, 2 or 4, 2 or 4. Yeah. This box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 4 or 5. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 2. Okay. This box cannot be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 box left in this W area shape for number 1. Okay. 4. I think this box should be a 3. In this quadra box, it cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 here. Can it be a 2? Can it be a 1? So 1 digit left should be a 3. Okay, this box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Well, I cannot place a 1 here. Otherwise, this box is connected with that box should be also a 1. We already have a 1 here. So it's not the solution to place the 1 here. The 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. 2 and the 4. This box is connected with that box should be also 2 and the 4. Alright. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 5 or a 3. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 4. 1 box left in this T-shape area for the number 2. I think don't think too much. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. 5, 5. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2 or a 4 because we have a double 2 and double 4 there. That means those 2 boxes should be a pair, 2 and a 4. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box should be also a 2. 1 box left in this quadra box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. And now this box cannot be a 4 or 5. We have a 4 and a 5 there. Cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3. So 1 digit left should be a 2. Then this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 and that box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5 cannot fill this yet, need to wait. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 4 or a 5. Cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. So 1 digit left should be a 1. Okay, now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. That means that this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 1 and this box should be a 4. Okay. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So one box left for the 4 should be here. Two numbers left for the numbers 3 and 1. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 4 and a 5. Okay. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes, 4 and 5. Let me see. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot place any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 5. And that box should be a 4. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be here. Now we have a pair, the 4 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Now we have 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And that box should be a 5. Finish in 16 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. See you then. Bye bye for now.